Hello, in this video, let me walk you through my Patreon page. This is the content inside Patreon and why it different from content on YouTube and why you should subscribe on Patreon if you wanted to be a full-time day trader or you want to be more serious on trader. You can learn from my analysis so you can have the real time, and when I get the signal, when I do my work, so I'm going to put it out online, upload and share with you in real time so you can make profit with me together. All right, let me show you the price here. I'm looking at 15-minute time frame, and first thing first, usually you will get this in 4-hour time frame. Usually it should be 12 hour earlier or 4 hour earlier before some events going to happen. In this case, I made two scenarios, two possibility between A and the B. All right, so you can be aware that okay, maybe A and B going to happen in next day, next 12 hour, and then the more info is this. Let me show you my Patreon content. On the left side, this is my Patreon content. You can see this is Bitcoin analysis of 22 April. What day? This is first time on intraday. I'm going to put here first 4-hour chart. I put the flag here in the mid-range resistance zone. Look like B scenario is in play. Now you get this message. You can be prepared. You can be ready mentally and plan, and if everything happen, right? So this is the clue. B is going to happen, and then next you can see I make a bubble here together with flag and point out into the volume. More clue and zoom in into 1-hour chart. More details. Price failed twice, and then you should looking to hedge your position or short. Okay, let me show you in here. All right, I show you here more information about okay, this is gonna fail, we should be careful. And by the way, I think price is come down to here, but I think it's gonna go back up and then we can short it down here. You see these lines, right? And then I give you a guideline of risk and reward here. In this picture, in this trading view, risk and reward is here. 1.8 risk and reward. You put stop loss here, you take profit here, and your entry price and your exit short here. All right, and then I will tell you next about strategy. On the right side, on the left side, they are same information. I will tell you about my war zone. This is my war zone, right? War zone between 39,317 down below to 38,948, and then you can see here this is my war zone. Below here is gonna be a darker area, so you can set up the support and resistance the same way I did in real time. And then next, I will give you 2 tips. I call it key takeaway here. It's important. If you are aggressive trader, find the reason to short from here. All right, I believe the price going to go back up, and then you find the reason to short here. And then the second thing, you have to be conscious and monitor your trade. It's going to be quick at all time. Anytime when you see I warn you like this, so you have to be on your trade take control of it because it might be fast. All right, okay, and then let me show you here what is happening in the price after I upload prediction. Okay, let's see. Let me rewind the price. Okay, and then you're going to see the price come back up and then hit the entry price and go down here, and then in next 15 minutes it's going to hit our take profit zone. All right, and then now we take profit already. The price going back into our war zone, and then we get in here. Now we get into the position, we start to scaling in. We have bought Bitcoin below this, right? You can get all of this information from my Patreon here, and you will it will be easier for you if you want to learn about trading techniques, and I believe this can be your shortcut to learn from someone who has enough experience about in trading, especially trading Bitcoin. All right, so you can make money from it. And for subscriber, I will show you it will be very, very cheap. The lowest price, it starts from $3.5. It's very cheap. So you might ask me why it's so cheap, why it's so cheap? Because it's no reason to do it here. Yes, it is. It is a reason, because I just don't want to make it expensive, right? Because why? Because I can make money from my trade. I don't make money from you. Got it? You got the point, right? I don't want to charge you $1,000, $500 or something like that. It's gonna be easy because this is going to be my trade anyway. But if you want to learn, someone wants to learn how to trade, so I want to share all of this information to someone who is willing to at least buy me a coffee. All right, $3 is just one cup of cafe latte, and that's it. So you don't have to waste your time to learn from random people on YouTube or something like that. All right, okay, this is all. Now I have my position here. I'm going to work it from here, and let's see it's going to go up or down, and I will put all the information in the next Patreon so you can learn from it. And I wish you like this video. This is walk through my Patreon. You can try to subscribe if you think this can help you, and thank you very much. I will be very glad that you buy me a coffee every month for exchange of like this trade. You can make a ton of money from this. You can learn a lot of experience from this. All right, see you next video, and this is all. I'm gonna go out and continue my trade. Thank you very much, and see you again next video.